This is section 3.2, day 2, part 2, and we're going to determine the cube root of 3375 using prime factorization. That means that we're going to start by doing our traditional or normal factor tree. So 3375, you'll notice it ends in a 5, so we're going to use a 5 as our first factor, times 675, which again ends in a 5. So that's going to be 5 times 135, which again ends in a 5, which is 5 times 27. 27 is 3 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. Remember, we circle only the numbers that are prime. Now, because we want a cube root, that means that we want to take 3375 and break it into 3 identical groups of numbers. We'll see if that's possible. Now take a look. There are 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 1 in each group. And there are 3 3s. So again, I'll put 1 in each group. That means that 3375 is 15 times 15 times 15. Now, what does that mean? Well, pictorially, it means that if I was to make a swimming pool out of those little blocks that I had, that means that it would take 3,375 blocks to build this particular swimming pool. It would be a cube, and it would be 15 blocks wide, 15 blocks high, and 15 blocks long. That also tells me that the cube root of 3375 is 15. All right, this one here just tells me basically the same information, worded a little differently, that a cube has volume of 512 meters cubed. How long is each side? Okay, so that's the first one. How long is each side? This is a fancy way of saying what's the cube root of 512. So let's find prime factorization of 512 to find my answer. So 512 is 2 times 256, which is 2 times 128, which is 2 times 64, which is 2 times 32, which is 2 times 16, which is 2 times 8, which is 2 times 4, which is 2 times 2. So the first answer is, how long is each side of the cube? Well, that means that the cube root of 512 in 3 groups is, okay, there's 3 2's to spread out, and then there's another 3 2's to spread out, and there's another 3 2's to spread out. That means it's 8 times 8 times 8. The cube root of 512 is